Hey y'all, welcome to Quickside Cubing. I believe what we have here is the Gear Shift Cube that I got off of eBay. I'm not sure exactly which cube store it was anymore, but I'm anxious to see what this puzzle is like. And I'm anxious to see if I'm right about what's inside. Okay, it looks like I am right. I didn't know it was made by Z-Cube. Well, actually maybe I did, and then I forgot. It looks like Z-Cube has a gear cube and a gear cube shift. So this is sort of like a gear 2x2, but just kind of the way it works. It's not like solving a 2x2 at all. I've never touched one before, but glad to have one in my collection. I have been told that it is quite a challenge. Now it looks like it's 57 millimeters, like a normal 3x3. The box looks like a 3x3. Well, that's cool. It actually has directions, which I will not be looking at for now anyway. I hope to make a first solve video of this cube, just like I do with all my new cubes now, and I'm going to try to figure out how to solve it on my own, but I'm a little scared of this puzzle. I'm thinking I might need to make use of that pamphlet. So, taking a closer look, I don't know if you can really see, but the stickers are textured, not really with a grain so much of going a certain way, but just like tiny little bumps, and it feels pretty cool. That's a really nice bright color scheme they have. The red is a little bit pinkish, and some of the stickers look like they're a little bit strange, but anyway, that's okay. So it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners that are like bigger, and then there must be 4 that are smaller, and those are the only pieces of the puzzle. And I believe that if you spin one piece, then the whole thing spins. So I'm trying to figure out how to even hold it, but if I spin this, you can see that all the pieces are moving. Okay, so we're wow, that is crazy. As soon as you start turning it, the whole thing like deforms. So if I hold here, and if I hold this piece over here, then I can kind of spin everything else. Well, okay, there we go. I have to give it some help. Okay, so small interruption there. Well, I have to say this cube seems really bizarre, because like as soon as I'd start turning it, it's just like already, okay, I don't know how to turn it very good. It seems like I have to kind of push on these middle parts. I think if I do it like that, instead of, if I try and turn it this way, it doesn't do much, but if I do it like this, then it does. So let me just try and go back. There we go. So for example, if I do a turn like this, then imagine I can do a turn over here. That gets to be really scary. So now I think what else you can do, or something else you can do, is pull it apart somehow. Whoa, there it is. So, and then you can turn these parts independently, and then it probably like scrambles more. And I'm wondering, yeah, it comes apart here. So you can do a scramble, I guess something like this, push it back, and now scramble more. So, wow. I have a tough time imagining that I would be able to solve this on my own. So already it seems like I confused something there. There we go. Anyway, a very, very fascinating puzzle. It looks cool, so I think it's a great addition to my collection, and I look forward to playing with it at some point in the future, although I think I'll give it some time and allow myself to continue learning some other solving strategies before I take on this challenge. So anyway, that's my unboxing of the Gear Shift made by Z-Cube, and relatively inexpensive to pick up. I just got it for several dollars on eBay. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you all later. Bye.